Hey, what is up everybody? This is your YouTuber Jazzy J, and today is Vlogmas Day 17. And we will be baking some stuff today. So, I usually don't have pancakes in the morning. I usually have them on special occasions, and today's special occasion is that I have a snow day today. And I'm going to just be spending time with my sister and my mom, and we're going to be making gingerbread cookies. I might get that on clip, I don't know yet, because again, I don't really want to film stuff that my family aren't in, because I want to take time with them and not bother with recording. And this is my hoodie. Just wanted to say that. I wear this almost all the time.
I think about you all the time now. I guess that you never feel the same now. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know, you don't want me sometimes. So I'm around you how many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. And around you how many girls, always ignoring them, yeah. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. And around you how many girls, but you're always ignoring them, yeah. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah, yeah.
I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna show you guys my random sock collection that's Christmas themed. Well, these don't even fit me anymore. Well, this is the design. Wow. These one. Probably wear these with my Crocs.
For no reason, but you came to me.
These are just regular, but kind of Christmas-y, I guess. I wear these to bed. Don't judge me. My feet get freezing. These are also barely fitting me. So you guys know ugly sweaters? Well, I have ugly socks. It's not ugly, but it's like ugly sweaters. They're not really ugly, but it's odd.
I guess that you never feel the same now. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know, you don't want me sometimes. So I'm around you how many girls.
Could I be a foot model? You know, just like posing like this. Or like this. Like that. I think I could. Hit me up. Email down below. Business email, to be exact. These are my favorite pair of socks because they have glitter rhinestones on the edges.
I think about you all the time now. I guess that you never feel the same now. And I'm always waiting for your call.
I also wear these for bedtime. These are not Christmas socks, but this can be nice when I wear jeans, and I can wear this to a Christmas party. I'm not wearing jeans right now, but you get it. These and the next one and then the first ones, I wear these when I shovel outside because They are very long, about up to here. Not these ones, but in the next one. But the first one, they come up to here, and those are really good for shoveling snow. These are the last pair. And that is my sock Christmas theme collection. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 18. Bye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.